5 seconds. There we go. Loop is live, drivers. Loop is live. Time to beat is a 53.02 from Tim Paris. Oh, look, Tim right out of the gate. Gets caught up. Oh, Ralph's going to go right into the hands of Jake Archibald right here. Not lose too much time, actually. It's John K. out front in the pink number 8 machine. Tim in the 2, Ralph in the 3, Daniel in the 4, and Cole in the 5. John K. out front, Tim Paris in the 2, Ralph in the 3, Daniel Paris in the 4, Cole in the 5. We got Ralph on his lid here in the infield. And Tim waited for him, so Tim must have been involved right there. It's still John K. out front. Oh, looks like we got Daniel high-sided in the infield right here. Thank you, Cassie. John K. out front, Tim Paris in the 2, Ralph in the 3, Cole in the 4, and Daniel in the 5. .250 down on 1, 10 to go. Tim Paris, the time to beat a 53 lapper. Tim right now on a 49, John K. on a 49. Tim out front, John K. in the 2 spot, back 2.3 seconds. 3 out to go, it's Ralph in the 3, Cole in the 4, Daniel in the 5. Ooh, Ralph and Tim, no contact there. Total on a 4, guys, careful on a 4, clear. 13.5 truck on the track. Up next, race number 10. Short course late model. Jeremy, Tyler, Chance, Michael, and Colton. You guys are up next. Bring them up right now, guys. Be ready, please. Seconds left. Oh, caution on a 4, guys. Careful on a 4. Your leader having to check up right here quite a bit. Track record in 13.5 truck, currently a 55 lap run from Levy. Oh, go high to 4, guys, high to 4, we're clear. Everyone keep going, everyone keep going. Ray's a nice move right there. That's pretty sweet. And that's a race, guys, that's a race. Tim Paris taking a win right there by 2.2 seconds over John K. Ralph in the 3, Cole in the 4, and Daniel in the 5. Nice job, guys. Up next.